صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه
അസ്സലാമു അലൈക്കും. ഇതൊരു വലിയ സന്തോഷമുള്ള ഒരു പരിപാടിയാണ്. മർക്കസ് കൈക്ക ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് ഹയർ ഇസ്ലാമിക് സ്റ്റഡീസ്, വിച്ച് വി കാൾ എസ് മർക്കിൻസ്, ബാംഗ്ലൂർ. അതിൻ്റെ ചരിത്രത്തിൽ ഇതൊരു വലിയൊരു ഭാഗമാണ്. ടു ക്രിയേറ്റ് എ digital library is not a very easy thing. It is a very complicated, electronic and media experts only can create this kind of a thing. But the most admirable, interesting, fascinating factor is our own students have created this. They studied this phenomenon, they studied this science, they tried to create this, they learned this particular process by doing it. This is a great achievement of Merkins. And I really don't know, but I think it is that amongst several such institutions all over the country, Merkins must be scoring the top rank as far as this is concerned. I don't have to say the advantages of having a digital library. Digital library is useful as a university of the highest rank. If only you can follow the books, journals and the literature which is spread out through the digital library. It is something like Google. Now, you can search anything, whatever you search for, without having to go through the textbooks, the library which is created in a building, or all that paraphernalia. Now, how this idea came? During this COVID time, our boys are scattered all over South India. Their teachers are also in different locations. Alhamdulillah, at Merkins, every day about 5 hours of net learning takes place. Now, you must realize that they are in different parts of South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra and also Karnataka. And this is happening every day, right from the time COVID started. And it is a great, grand success. And who are making it happen? It is our teachers, it is our students, it is the muallimins and the mutalimins. I really don't know whether other institutions are following this example, but to us, this is a great success. Now, it is at the very formative stage. Maybe over a period of time, next 2 to 3 months, we should be able to reach a stage of near perfection. What are the kind of books we should be able to access through digital library? Arabic books, Urdu books, Malayalam books, kitabs, textbooks, in English, novels, everything. Now, because of the space constraints, in the space which we have already purchased from Google, is going to be tremendous competition in terms of occupancy of the space. Inshallah, over a period of time, we should be able to increase the space available to us in this. Now, how do we make use of it? We will be able to give you the apps to each one of its subscribers or users, and through the app, if you are able to give your password, you are able to have the entire library at your command. You will be able to go through the pages of each one of those books which you don't have and which you would like to access through. This, in my humble opinion, is a great milestone in the annals of Merkins. Inshallah, we hope to create additional milestones in the years to come, and our students, as usual, are ready to undertake any kind of challenging task, and I compliment them, congratulate them in doing this particular thing. I happen to mention this particular thing only about 15-20 days back to our Vice Principal and Administrator, Habib Noorani. I was thinking that it is received on one side of the year and another side it is gone. But I did not realize until today that it has already reached a stage of utilization. I thank him immensely from the bottom of my heart for what he has been able to achieve and how he has been able to motivate the students to do this. I congratulate the entire team once again, and I hope we will be able to travel further milestones, not only in this area but also in several other areas. Assalamu alaikum.